Can someone tell me where the air filter is installed? The label on the right side of the system shows carrier model 58/070.
Let's get started and see what we can do. If you have a filter in the furnace, it will be in the blower compartment bottom section. Many installers have started not putting a filter in the furnace, but installing a filter grill in wall or ceiling. Thanks for the picture. Remove the screw on front panel and let's see if there is a filter mounted in bottom section or on right side of furnace. Thanks for the picture. Remove the screw on front panel and let's see if there is a filter mounted in bottom section or on right side of furnace.
What does the filter possibly look like and where? Should I turn off the system before opening the panel?
If furnace has a filter, it will be in bottom. If no filter there, look for a filter grill in wall. The grill on side may be a filter grill. If it opens, filter will be in there. Turn power off to unit first. If no filter in furnace, look for filter grill that opens.
Okay, I'll give a shot.
Sounds good. There are a variety of types, from throwaway to allergy permanent. But most all for your furnace will be 1 inch thick. Looking over my questions today, I see you have not replied or left rating. Please rate answer below if you feel I have earned a rating of 3 or higher, as that is how I am compensated. Otherwise, let me know how I may assist further. Thanks again. You can also return the question for up to 30 days to follow up at no additional cost.
Hi, are you available?
Any luck locating the filter?
I opened up the cover and could not find the filter. I'll attach the photo in a second.
Standing by. Photo here. Let's remove bottom panel and see if filter is in there.
Okay, we'll give a shot.
I will stand by.
I think the 14x24 slot is the place for a filter.
That is exactly where filter should be. Sometimes installer elects to install a filter grill in wall instead of putting a filter in furnace. If no filter grill, you need to get a filter in that slot ASAP.
The Air 1ST goes through an air filter installed on the wall inside my house. This furnace air filter seems to be the 2ND filter along the airflow before heated and distributed back into the room again. So just pick up one from Home Depot and put into that slot in the furnace. The filter material should be no different from those air filters for wall air opening.
That is correct. No thicker than 1 inch. You get a throwaway cardboard filter or a cut-to-fit washable from Home Depot.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.